So you know one of the advantages that comes with old age is that you get to read people a lot faster, especially with the red flags, like a lot faster than before. So yeah, let's get into it, shall we? So I don't know why, but despite my old age, 30, people tend to look at me like I'm stupid. Like I'm really stupid. You know, like people tend to think that I'm really, really, really naive for some reason. It's just, and they tend to look down on me. That happens a lot. Now, one good thing, however, of old age, and this is the weird thing, because the 30s is a weird age because you're too old, but at the same time you're too young. You know what I mean? It's just like, you're not in your 20s, you're not young, but they still belittle you as if you were in your 20s. Some people, right? Let's be realistic. People who belittle people, they're gonna belittle you no matter how old you get. But there's certain people that for some reason think they can get away with more, and they look at me and they assume I'm just stupid. I'm just stupid. And I'm like, dude, I can see through you. I can see through all of your BS and all of your red flags. Not only that, I'm doing it faster than before. I've always been very observant when I was a kid. The difference is when I was a kid, it would take me longer. It would take me months to realize. In my first jobs, it would take me months to realize some red flags. In the last jobs, it took me what? A month? A week? Two? And the red flags were still there. They were red. They were bright red. And something that annoys me is that people, for some reason, tend to believe they can get away with more. Like, I won't notice, but I do. And one thing of growing old, a good thing at least, is you tend to gain more experience. And things you were already capable of, like reading people, it just happens all the same, but a lot faster. And it's more difficult to gaslight you out of your senses, which is good. That is always good. That can never be too underestimated, I can assure you. That's always a good thing. I'm gonna have to tell you that, it's just an unfortunate thing that happens. But when it happens, you get a lot faster to read things. Though, in order to accelerate the process, instead of waiting to grow old, try to be observant always. That way, you will make the process faster, a lot faster yourself. You know what I mean? It's just that I have seen people who passively grow old, they don't exactly grow wiser. And they keep making the same mistakes. Shadow work, working on yourself, going through a therapist, trying to work on your subconscious, trying to observe people and patterns and why you're making always the same mistake. I'm not saying you deserve to have gone through the things you have gone through. I'm just saying that if you tend to attract certain types of people, there is a reason. And there's usually one main factor, and that's you, unfortunately. And I have indeed have to make myself aware of that, and I have worked on it. And the good thing is, when you are actively working in something, you get better at it much faster, a lot faster, and you get to read BS, and you get to see the red flags a lot faster. And unlike the past, in which you tend to gaslight yourself out of your first hunch, you just see it and then you just can't unsee it, and you just, no matter how many excuses you can try to put up with, the red flags are there, and the history is there, and you won't forget about it. And that is experience. With experience, you just become faster at the same thing that you used to do. I don't know if better, because I don't know if you can become better at something you're not good at, but you certainly become faster at doing the same thing. So, whatever you're trying to achieve in life, part of it is consistency. The other time is the other side of it. It's effort, never giving up on anything, on something. But it's also time, and time to perfect that. And that time comes with age. I'm sorry. So, yeah, tell me, what are the things that, what are the benefits of growing old you have seen on yourself and or in people around you? What would you consider an upside of growing old? Do let me know. I'm curious. I want to know. Till next time. Bye bye.